highly ambitious and passion-driven entrepreneurs. Welcome to my channel. My name is Iva, and on this channel you can learn how to overcome the imposter syndrome, what are the superpowers of daily habits and morning rituals, and how to step into your voice on social media. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to focus. What I talked in the last week's video, and you can access it somewhere up here, was about 3 important things about overcoming the imposter syndrome. And we are not focused because our passion is pushing through while there's still some underlying negative beliefs, and there's a lot of thinking going on. So there's a lot of overwhelm and anxiety and fear and feeling frozen. Oh my God, I'm never gonna do this. All these things are here, so we can't really focus. And to be able to focus, what we want to do is to adopt a specific habit that suits us and do it regularly over 21 days. Oh, Iva, this sounds impossible. I need to focus right now. I don't want to wait for 21 days. Okay, I get it. Of course. But the point is, the more we repeat these positive habits, the rituals, the more we will stay focused and stay balanced. What are those habits? Are you a very physical, energetic kind of type of person? Because such people really need a lot of exercise. They need movement, right? They need to move their bodies. And when we move our bodies, what happens is that all these thoughts, all this energy, all this anxiety, fears, emotions that have risen through our passion to achieve our goals, we can channel it, we can ground it. So what can I do physically? Even I don't really have time. How much time are you spending binging YouTube, Netflix, on your phone, looking at Instagram or chatting? So you can really dedicate just 25 minutes per day or every 2 days to do some kind of physical activity that will get you grounded. You can run, you can swim. If that is not available, you can always just go for a walk in the park. Take a walk. You can also do a little bit of exercise. You can find YouTube, either Pilates or yoga or whatever you like, and you can follow those online classes and actually exercise. Okay. If you are a different type of person that is not so comfortable with doing physical exercises, or you don't feel like you're a very sporty person, you're more calm, your energy is more calm, and most of the time you spend in your head though, some of the things you can do is to meditate. Meditate each morning. You can meditate each evening. It really depends on your time schedule, what works the best for you. Meditation can also be a prayer. Depends on what type of religion do you practice. Okay. So what does it mean? It means to connect in the morning or just before you go to bed. You connect with your thoughts. You connect with your spirit. You can also follow a couple of YouTube channels. You can do some of my meditations on this channel that I provide. They're less than 10 minutes, so it's not that much time. And it's really super helpful. It's a beautiful little process that doesn't have to last more than 10 minutes tops. And you will see when you do it regularly over 21 days how mental state, your emotional balance will improve. When we meditate, we reset our system. Guru Dev Shri Shri Ravi Shankar of Art of Living says that each time we meditate, we reset our system back to the beginning, back to the whiteboard, tabula rasa. Okay? So we can start over. We can start each day afresh. We don't have any of those fears and worries and problems from yesterday or tomorrow, or right? We can reset. What's another thing you can do? Journaling is also amazing, amazing, amazing if you are a verbal type, if you are somebody who likes to communicate, to talk, to think, to write. Journaling is really a great way to unleash all that on paper. So once we put it on paper, it releases us. Okay? So the point is to actually take a pen and a piece of paper, your journal, and write. The point is to write for at least 3 pages. Oh, it's too much. Do you want to be focused or not? So the whole point of being an entrepreneur and pursuing your goal to become successful at a passionate thing in your business is about adopting new habits, changing. You will do anything it takes to succeed. So adopting new habits is also one of the ways to succeed. Okay? Because if we keep the fixed mindset, oh, I can't do it, I'll never do it, oh, it's so hard, it doesn't really help. But the more we change our habits, the more we work with our emotions, the more we meet ourselves where we need to. Okay? If we're overwhelmed, anxious, going crazy, feeling frozen, I will never do it, I can't do it, these moments will keep coming up. So you can ignore them, you can go eat something, watch TV, hide, watch a movie, go scroll the social media, fall into the dark hole of the social media, or you can try these new things. So journaling is one of those amazing habits. Once you start doing it, at first it may be a little bit uncomfortable. What am I going to write about, etc. Remembering your high school teacher or your uni teacher that made you write and you really didn't like to. A lot of my clients say, oh, I just really hate writing. I don't want to write. I'm not good at writing. But once they try this exercise, and once they do it daily for at least 7 days, they see what amazing benefits it has on the calmness of their mind, on the groundedness. They're not just like running things in their mind, 100 miles an hour, this thought, that thought, right? Journaling really grounds us. So these 3 habits are just some of the ways. So moving our body, number 1, meditate or prayer, and 3rd thing is journaling. There are many more habits. And if you stick around this channel, I'm gonna make videos about more of them. Until then, until next time, until my next video, I posted a link to my free do-it-yourself course, self-love course, where actually you can learn 5 different habits through videos. Those are filmed in Bali. I used to live in Bali for 10 years. Now I'm back in Croatia. So you can see those beautiful Bali videos and you can learn about 5 different habits. So check the link below. I'm talking about meditation, I'm talking about journaling, affirmations, grounding, and the beautiful gratitude. Okay guys, thanks so much for being here. I'm super happy, and let me know if which one of these habits have you tried or are willing to try, and which one of them worked. Until next time, bye bye.